We've worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer and we wanted to share it with the world. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.